This tutorial is about the spawners. So spawners are mostly useful for AI because you want AI to be there only at a certain moment. Otherwise, it can do stuff you don't want. Like here, you've guns firing when you're far. So like when you enter AI arenas, you want to like spawn them just before. But for this, we don't use an arena or anything. We just do the basic spawning, and also show you how to spawn objects. Here I have like AI there, and I have like a weapon. Like I put it in the air like this because this object, like if we go to properties, we need to set it to template true, because this means this object doesn't exist. It's only used like as a template. So for the spawner, so all the settings we have here, we set them once, and then we can use as many spawners as we want to spawn this object, basically. But for that, I need a spawner. So let's add one, which is called, we go to spawners and AI spawners, because it's for AI. So like we have these little things, and we found it just like where the AI is supposed to be for this one, but we can be like anywhere, and you can have multiple spawners. So what we do is that we need to say that the spawners, which template we use. So the target we use CAI00. Now it's the little arrow pointing to my AI. And we can even set like spawn sounds or initial command when it's spawned, but we don't care. We just put it like this for the moment. And we can also have another one that if I duplicate holding D, can put another of this AI spawning here also. No, I just lost my mouse for some reason. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to spawn an object. So it will be a bit different. We use only like spawner, like this. And I want to spawn this weapon. I want to spawn this weapon, yeah. When spawner is like when at a certain event the thing will appear, like that's the goal. So the weapon is not there, but when I will touch a trigger, it will appear. So again, target, we will, where is it? I can click it. It's our weapon item, so we'll just copy the name and use that as my target. And I need now a trigger, of course. I just like have this like little place to know this will be the trigger. So I can like put my marker on that thing, that platform, then I will create the trigger, which is trigger. And by default, we go in object mode to resize this bad boy, and just put like the size of this thing, like that. And by default, it's like a player trigger. So I only want to send a scripting command to my spawning object. So, oh, it's called my spawner already. I don't think oh yeah, it's here. It's just called spawner, okay. So yeah, let's copy the name of my AI spawner first. Then go inside my trigger and put like one of the command. So like we see before, we said message AI my AI spawner, and we tell him to spawn basically, and we can copy this and do that with the other AI, and we can again copy it and use this time only the object spawner for the weapon. Okay. Oh, you see, now I have a little error. It says because it's not a template, because I forgot to put the weapon as a template, because We want this to use as a template and not exist, like only spawns after an event. So let's build a map, and now we can test. Okay, think should be good. So now you see there's nothing because those objects don't exist. And here I have my trigger, so when I touch that, you see everything appear because everything spawned. So I have my AI spawn and my character is yeah, and spawn, and my weapon here that also spawn. And now yeah. So this is it for this tutorial. See you next time.